This is the Stanford University Bookstore. Golden Gate?
Yeah.
Dover, I think. I heard a hoistway switch that sounded like Dover.
Yeah, that kind of looks Dover.
Whoa, bar buttons. Oh, I guess down did work, so now we're gonna stop on the way up. This is a new... Yeah, it sounds like a Dover. What the hell is that door equipment up there?
Where are they slapping buttons on it?
Look, they use the they use the original fire service button. I guess this doubles as their service. Yeah, look, Dover.
I wonder if this was like a Dover with... Oh, I guess it's just a Dover with Circline.
Dover Circline?
Yeah, I guess so, I don't know. Also, mezzanine is right above lower lobby for some reason, lower level.
Ground front.
Very interesting.
The bar buttons was unexpected. They got black Z-Racks. And blue ones.